Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? Guys, today we are going to create a login page screen and sign up page screen. So I already created the project and this is the XML file. So this is the linear layout. I'm going to create a login page screen first. So for that, this is the linear layout. I already created a design for background image. So I gave background image. I create this design already. Okay, you can also create, or I can also give you. So this is the background set. Now I use one more linear layout, match parent and wrap content. Okay, I give this orientation vertical for login page screen, and I use image view, which is match parent, and I give height 140 dp. I give src source, which is mean source. The first one is background and the second thing is source. So I give source and I give red zone. I already add some images in drawable images. Okay, so I just use this image. Now I use edit text, or I give match parent, which is take whole screen with on horizontal, and I give height wrap content. And the text appears text or hint, enter your email. Okay, I give some padding 40 dp on most on linear layout, and I give background of on the edit text view, background stroke, which I created already, background stroke. Okay, so I give padding 10 dp. So this is just a text in a text view. You also use hint except text, and the text color. No, I also use a drawable, which means drawable just like image. Drawable on left, and for email this is the drawable image. You can see in the design. I also give drawable padding, which is 5 dp. It's enough. Okay, the next thing, I also I copy this edit text, and again I paste, enter your password, and I give this email on log, replace email image from this on the lock screen. Okay, the next thing is I give margin to this, margin top 10 dp, and also I give margin this to margin this edit text fields from image view, margin top suppose 30 dp. Okay, the next thing is the text view, which is forget password. You can see many login pages which have option forget password. So I create this match parent wrap content. Okay, so I give text forget password. Okay, and I give gravity on end position. Okay, now I create one linear layout again. You can see this. Forget password. Sorry. I create a linear layout which is match parent, wrap content, orientation is horizontal, and in this linear layout I define two text views, which is wrap content and wrap content. Okay, and I give text already have an account. Okay, or you already have an account, and copy this again and paste. Okay, and replace this text to sign up. Okay, and I give text style into bold. Okay, the preview is upgrade. The next thing is I give to gravity. Gravity is center. Okay, gravity is all. You can see both text views are in a center place. The next thing is, so this linear layout is created. Now I want to use one button, which is login button. I give match parent, wrap content, and I give text to this button is login. Okay, login button. Okay, I also give to background to this button, which is background image stroke drawable back design stroke. Okay, which I give to this edit text fields. Okay, in replace I use color. Okay, because I don't want to use stroke, I use background tint, which is used for colors, and I use color. Okay, the next thing is I use Facebook logo, Twitter logo, and also Gmail logo. Okay, so I create a linear layout which gives match parent, wrap content, and the orientation is horizontal. Okay, I use some image view. I give manual paddings, manual width and height 40 dp, and close it. And for source I use, which is Gmail, and the next Facebook, and the last one is Twitter. Okay, I use this, and also I use for this linear layout weight 0 dp, then use weight 1 for 0 dp, weight 1 for 0 dp, weight 1. Okay, see this, the image is shown. Now I give margin top 20 dp. Okay, I give margin top to this linear layout is for 20 dp. And the next I gave margin to this text view and this button too. Okay, margin top 5 dp, and the margin top to this text view, which is 5 dp. Okay, almost the login screen is created. You can see this is the login page screen which I create. Okay, now we create a sign up page screen which is almost looks like the same. Now we create the second screen, which is sign up screen. Look, I created the second activity, and there is the XML layout for that activity. Okay, you just copy and paste of the login page screen. Okay, so this is the login page screen which we already created. Okay, so just copy all and paste it here. And the next thing, there is a sign up activity. So you just modify this. Okay, this is the sign up activity, so you just add some more edit text fields. You just copy this edit text field and paste it here. You give this edit text to margin top 10 dp, and you just enter user name. Okay, and the next thing you do, which is a person profile. Okay, which is the person profile, and the last thing which you do, copy this edit text, copy and paste it below of this edit text field. This is the enter your password. Just modify this, enter your confirm password. Okay, and the last thing you see, this design is below the layout, below the background image design. So I just give margin bottom to this this linear layout, margin bottom 50 dp. Look at this. This is the sign up screen is has completed. Overall thing is complete. Enter your username, enter your email, enter your password, enter your confirm password, and forget password, which is not here in this activity. So you just remove this. And the one thing is mistake, already have an account then sign in. So just sign up, replace sign in. Okay, the sign in, the last one, which is and give to margin top to this linear layout. Margin top, sorry, margin top to this linear layout. sorry, not here, here, margin top only 5 dp. Okay, the last thing, uh, replace the text login to sign up. The sign up screen already created, or also created, and the login page also created. One thing modify on the login page screen, which is where we use the text already have an account. You just replace this from don't have an account, then sign up, which means when you are on login screen, then you can go to sign up page, and when you are on sign up page, then you can go from sign up page to sign in page. Okay, this is don't have an account, then sign up. When you are on sign up page screen, then you can come from sign up page to sign in screen. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. I also gave you the code of this layout, which is the whole code, where we use images, and also I create some XML files for strokes. I hope you guys understand very well. Thanks so much. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe my videos and my channel. Thanks so much. Allah Hafiz.